Hello friends, today I will show you how to make an app and welcome to my first app making video. So let's get started. First go to studio.code.org, then sign up, and after signing up click on new project button. Here select the app lab option, click on it. I'm making an app in which user will click on a button and screen changes its color randomly. So let's make it. First, we can go to design. We will go to design. Then choose the button option to here. I will customize it. I will change its ID to change. Text to change. Color randomly. Change color randomly. I will increase the font size. Then I will change the theme to classic. Then we will take this block to here on event. It means when we click on a ID, means the ID of this button. See here ID is change. Change when it is clicked. So it will set property ID. We will add the ID of screen. See it is giving ID screen one with to background color and red. See when we run it and when we click on this button it changes its color to it changes screen color to red. Then we want to make it randomly, so I will choose this RGB. Then I will take math random number block here here, as it will take any random input. So 12255 12255 I am giving those second number to 255 because every color means RGB, red, green, blue has 255 shades. So it will choose anyone from them. Okay, and now we will check this. See, if I will click on change color randomly button, it is giving green first time. Um, it is a shade of pink and purple, brown, cane type. Okay, dark color. So if you want to print these color also, you can go to control variables. Then choose this console.log message. Then I will choose math, add block here. I will first write your color is your color is then get property of screen one background color. Let's check it. See, it is giving the color also. Change color randomly. It's giving all the colors. And come on, explanation. On event means when we click on the ID. ID means change the button ID. And when it is clicked, um, the program will do this. So we will set the property of screen one to screen one background color to RGB. Means random, any random color it will choose. Then console.log means to print here. I took an add button and give it first value to your color is in quotation mark. Then I took the property of screen one background color, so it can print it here. Okay, everything is done. We can test it, and it can give you JS code also. See, it is JS code here. This is in today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.